This is an instructional video on how to use Voice over Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Voice over Wi-Fi, or VoWiFi, is a great alternative when you are in a location that does not offer cell service. You will be able to make and receive calls if you are on a Wi-Fi connection. To use this service, you must have an iPhone 6s or newer, which does include the iPhone SE. Your iPhone needs to be on 13.3 Apple software, and the carrier needs to be on Nemont 40.1. To activate the VoWiFi, you must be on a Wi-Fi connection. If you have any questions on if your phone is capable or what software or carrier your phone is on, please give customer service a call at 1-800-636-6680. Let's get started. Go into your settings and tap Cellular. Then tap Wi-Fi calling. Next, tap the switch to enable Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. A pop-up appears asking if you want to enable Wi-Fi calling. Tap Enable. You will need to enter your 911 address and then tap the box by I agree to agree to the terms and conditions. So now tap Submit. If the 911 address was entered correctly, a blue Update Emergency Address will appear. If you have an iPhone 8 or previous model, you will see Nemont Wi-Fi at the top left of the screen in the status bar. If you have an iPhone X or newer, you will see Nemont Wi-Fi in the Control Center shortcut. If you change locations, you will need to update the emergency address. Go back into the settings, then tap Cellular. Next, tap Wi-Fi calling. Tap the blue Update Emergency Address. Fill in the updated 911 location address, agree to the terms and conditions, and tap Submit. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to call at 1-800-636-6680. Now enjoy your calling experience.